C2 Mini Lathe. Do you need a small lathe? The C2 lathe is the right size for you. The C2 has a 7x12 swing. The lathe has a 300-watt DC motor with a variable speed from 0 to 2500 RPMs. It has a knob to select your RPM with a forward and reverse switch. The C2 comes with a 3-inch chuck with OD and ID jaws. The dials have 1/1000ths graduation. The compact feed handle won't get in the way. The C2 comes with a thread dial. The compound has degrees stamped on the side for easy reading. The C2 has a 110-volt 3-prong plug. The lathe comes with a complete set of gears to thread 12 to 52 threads per inch. The tailstock has a number 2 Morris taper. The C2 comes with a turret-style tool post that holds a 5/16 tool bit. The base of the lathe is cast iron, one-piece construction. The C2 Mini Lathe is the right size for small jobs. The lathe can be found in the Travers catalog or at our website www.travers.com. The order number is 87116-906.